I grew up on a farm in rural New Zealand, so crowds like this at New Zealand's first Ikea are the opposite of where 12-year-old me would ever want to be.
This is massive.
Now much older and no wiser, I find myself here and ask, is it a twisted dystopian capitalist nightmare?
We're trapped here forever. So if you do come, be aware that you may be trapped in here forever and have to live here. That's probably why it looks like houses. So that when you're trapped here, you can live here.
Or will the meatballs and hot dogs of legend help me become like the lotus eaters and bathe in consumerist bliss? Follow me and let's find out together.
So fams, I don't know if you've heard, but Ikea has opened up in New Zealand. Look at this. This is epic. And I reckon it's worth a 300-mile road trip. What do you think? So today, we're going to cruise up there, see what's happening at Ikea.
Look at all this traffic leaving.
Get some of those fabulous meatballs. Yeah, there we go.
6-hour road trip time to the happiest place on earth, Auckland.
Let's do this thing. I can't even get it out of the frickin' thingy. Kia ora, fams. Like 6-7. No, I'm joking. Hey team, we're on the way to Ikea. Got new cameraman kindly holding the camera, who shall remain nameless. Yeah, we're cruising to Ikea. We're gonna get some meatballs. It's gonna be fantastic. This traffic is not fantastic. It is a friggin' nightmare. Auckland is terrible. So it's gonna take us like 35 minutes to go like 17 kilometers or something. If you're as pumped as we are about Ikea opening in New Zealand, then drop something in the comments, or if you've been overseas, or if you've been here, I'd be interested to know. We're gonna cruise there and we'll join you again once we're, I don't know, in the parking lot, I guess, of this thing. Oh, no. Oh, this car almost crashed. Look at this. This is epic. This is gigantic. Start your shopping. I smell the meatballs. I can smell them. Yes. This is mental. Oh, there's the actual Ikea shop. And this is where you get food. Alright. What are we gonna get? Oh bro, there's no meatballs. What the hell? Oh, we gotta try this hot dog. Whatever. $2, that's pretty good. Veggie dog, that sounds horrible. But let's try one, maybe we'll go Harvey's. 1480? 80? Yeah. There you go. Amazing, thank you. Yeah. I think I saw like a condiment station sort of down that way when we came in. Let's go check it out. This is huge. Look at these. These look so pale and anemic. This doesn't look good. Not gonna lie. The veggie balls look better. Oh, there's like a tomato sauce squeezer. We've got to check this out. Oh, and a mustard squeezer. I'm definitely going to get hepatitis from touching this. Sweet. And what is this? I think this is like free coffee, bro.
Yeah, that's free.
Whoa.
You spend lots and lots of money in there.
Yeah, true. Well, that's pretty cool.
And the drinks are free as well.
What? It is pale, man. Let's be brave. Cheers.
Now, I think babies are awesome, but it wasn't until I was editing this that I realized that there was one absolutely kicking off in the background here. I've tried my best to remove bubs, but that isn't happening. So I'm going to do a dub over with exactly what I said at the time. I say, old boy, that's actually better than I thought it was going to be, based on the paleness. But I think the mustard is clutch. Without the mustard, That'd be game over.
What was it, like $2?
You can't argue with $2.
In terms of hot dogs,
I'd give this a solid 6 out of 10.
it's quite snappy in there too. The bread's pretty fire as well. Or maybe I'm just really hungry. You have the big half since you're a grown boy.
Okay, we got the veggie dogs, they're calling it. Suspicious since they're meatballs.
That's all right, man. It's got some good flavour. I hear vegetarian, I think gross. This is nicer than the normal hot dog. Yeah, that's good. Probably got more protein than the other dog too. I'm giving this a 7 out of 10. It's got a real strong sort of, yeah, like a almost a hummus, but not like a hummus. It's got a strong flavour in it, but it's not unpleasant. I would get this over the other dog. $1.50 too. Okay, 6 out of 10 normal dog, mostly because of the mustard. Don't sleep on the mustard. And a 7 out of 10 for this, no added condiment.
Determined to track down the meatballs, I asked this lovely lady in yellow, where be the treasure? And she responds, it's up on the 2nd floor. Thank you.
Probably up here, huh? Oh, level 2, start your shopping here.
Feel free to pause on these prices. I don't know, I thought it might be interesting. I do it a couple of times throughout the video.
Free merch. Get you your free merch, bro. Can these bags cost anything? Don't know. Free merch. We'll find out. We're doing it. We're living the capitalist dream at Ikea. I think we're in the shop. Yeah, I think we're doing it. We're doing the shopping.
Ikea ingenue that I was. I thought we were doing the shopping. But as you'll see, the shopping was doing us.
Oh, they got like whole lounges set up. This is cool. Pretty cool. What are these laptops made of? Yeah, we're eyeing it up. Oh, it's made of stuck to the ground. This is a real great price though. Like, that's cheap. Having paid for one of these, I know about it. Well, this is Sofa City. Okay, I'm gonna do a panning shot. Look at that. You got a year to return your items. That's what I'm talking about. I have to get this for cameraman at home. He'll love this. Okay, that's just a taster. We can't cover this whole shop. It's ridiculously large. And plus we're here for the meatballs. Wow, we found it, man. We found the place. Let's do some Swedish meatballs. This is massive. Now we've found our place. I guess we order here. We've been trained. We know how to do it. Only 6 kiosks here. Seems a little bit short-sighted. They should have more. Unless you can just order from up there. Who knows? Okay. Let's do it. I don't know what I'm... Yeah, there we go. This place is huge, Lungle. We got to get a cart, man. We need the full experience. This is cool, man. That's fire. Yes. Oh, they got real cutlery too. That's pretty cool.
And just like that, after all those years of watching my favourite YouTubers taste their meaty balls, it was our time.
Well, we drove 300 miles before we made it. We have our meatballs. Let's see what they're like. Let's do it, bro. $16.50. Let's see if it's worth. We had your mum's meatballs the other night. They were fire. Let's see if these are any better. I doubt it. Pretty good texture. It's quite funny, but they taste really meaty. Like real strong meat taste. Pretty pleasant. I'd say that's all right. With this cranberry sauce too. The mash is delicious. It's real creamy. Doesn't taste fake either. And like heaps of butter. That's what I'm getting from it. And this gravy. The gravy is pretty innocuous, that's what I call it. But you don't really notice the gravy. Not really a strong flavour. This flag school. New Zealand's an expensive country to eat. So $16.50 for this is kind of like standard. So it's not a great deal. But it's worth coming for the hype and checking it out. The best thing I've seen so far is like the different way of shopping. Like it's super weird. But they're going to make a killing because everything's so contained, like you can't escape once you're in, well, easily anyway. But in terms of flavour hit, I think that veggie dog was probably the best, which is weird to say. I recommend people come and try it, definitely. Just for the experience, especially while it's so busy as well. This is animal. I can't imagine what it was like on the first day. Okay, we're basically done eating here. Would I recommend it? Hell yeah. Just come for the experience, the spectacle, the people watching. It was insane. I've never seen so many people in my life. Probably. That's what I'd come for. The food. Oh, thank you. I was just looking for the place to put that back.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, me, thank you.
Okay, so the great meatball mission has been accomplished. Time to head out, right? Heck no. If only it were that easy. You are stuck.
You might think that this is the way out, but you'd be mistaken. This is the way to more shopping. Doesn't look very like Get Outy, does it? Oh yeah? Nah, that takes you back up to there. This is like Pan's Labyrinth here, bro. I think we're forced to go through the items. Wow, we're trapped here forever. Well, we've found a map. Oh yeah, makes complete sense now. We thought that was the exit, but at the moment we're still literally trapped in Ikea.
Okay, real talk for a second from voiceover guy. I was actually a bit pissed off we couldn't get out. Just a heads up if you go to Ikea, friends.
So if you do come, be aware that you may be trapped in here forever and have to live here. That's probably why it looks like houses. So that when you're trapped here, you can live here. Yes, that's what we want.
After what seemed an interminable time wandering in materialistic purgatory, with perseverance, and with what must have been divine intervention from the communist gods, we escaped.
We had just found our way down to out of Pan's Labyrinth. We are out of perdition now. Oh, this is massive, man. This is insane.
Finally approaching the checkout, I knew what we needed to make this whole trip worthwhile. I quit alcohol a few years back, but I cannot quit chocolate.
I wish I knew how to quit you. Why don't you just let me be, huh?
Okay, not sure what happened there, but let's get back on track. As I leave and head the many hours back home, I'm not sure what 12-year-old me would have thought of all this. I do know that 48-year-old me is grateful to have visited the loud, chaotic, but vibrant and fascinating creature that is IKEA. But I'm even more grateful to come home.